polling places to be very busy.
2022 could be the third federal election in a row, following the midterms in 2018 and the presidential election 2 years ago, setting new records for voter turnout.
A student loan advocacy group is urging applicants to be patient as the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program faces a Republican-led challenge. Versus you with the Student Borrower Protection Center is optimistic.
It's obviously, disappointing that we won't Monday morning start seeing cancellation, but it's really only a very small delay.
Hurricane Roslyn has made landfall. Daniel Brown is at the National Hurricane Center.
It made landfall near Santa Cruz in the Mexican state of Nayarit on the west central coast of Mexico.
The storm is expected to steadily lose strength as it moves inland. CBS News Brief. I'm Linda Kenya.
KCBS News Time 7:32. Our News Watch continues now with Jennifer Hodges.
San Jose's push to bring free wireless access to every city resident depends on digital literacy. As KCBS's David Welch reports, the city's libraries are filling the role of technical support for all.
San Jose's public library system refers to it as digital equity. The new role was born out of the pandemic, when many students needed the equipment and knowledge to get online for classes. But now that city leaders are continuing their efforts to bring free wireless connections to every household, San Jose City Librarian Jill Bourne says those efforts have extended to everyone with a library card.
Our teams have put together a whole menu of classes and courses in English, Spanish, and Vietnamese. We have some in Chinese coming.
Librarians in the city not only serve as a source for information on how to get online, they're also in the business of supplying the equipment to do so.
We circulate what we call devices, but a device could be a hotspot, or it could be a tablet, or it could be a Chromebook laptop.
And although Bourne says she's often surprised by the library's new role, she sees how it's a good fit.
I certainly didn't expect our librarians to be working with information technology and public works to put antennas on light poles, but really it's all about the same mission.
In San Jose, David Welch, KCBS.
A contentious midterm election is coming up, and the country is deeply divided. What we need right now, according to some, is love. KCBS's Jim Taylor.
We're going to take a moment away from all the noise right now to talk with the Fetzer Institutes. Their mission,
Helping build the spiritual foundation for a loving world. And I think that connects very directly to the crisis we're experiencing in our country today, where we don't have nearly enough love.
Bob Boischer, President, CEO of the Fetzer Institute, in the business of promoting love between our brothers and our sisters all over this land.
The most urgent business in our common life is reversing this partisan death spiral and figuring out how to come together.
Yeah, that could be the greatest challenge of these divisive times. The question, of course,
How do we come together? I'm just hoping that in this really dark time, a lot of us wake up to realize that more of the same is going to send us off the cliff.
yeah, he says get woke and learn to understand and love each other to heal our nation. Election day is just a couple of weeks away. Jim Taylor, KCBS.
Well, this year's flu season is expected to be particularly nasty, and Natalie Vivian reports people are already landing in the hospital.
Health experts say the flu is here early.
Flu appears to have started a month early. We're seeing people hospitalized already with laboratory-diagnosed influenza.
Dr. William Schaffner, Medical Director of the National Foundation for Infectious Diseases.
I'm afraid minority and ethnic communities have had a traditional concern about vaccines, so that for historical reasons has led to the fact that they have lower vaccination rates than the general. All the more reason to reach out to them.
The CDC reported last year vaccinated flu patients had nearly a 30% lower risk of landing in intensive care or dying from the flu. Natalie Tavidian, KCBS.
We're just a couple minutes away from an update on traffic and weather together.
Looking for the best way to address your water problems? Tired of slimy or undrinkable water? Well, you need to consider a LifeSource whole house water system. This is Claire Beverly, and I want to tell you about the best salt-free water system available in the Bay Area. It's LifeSource water. LifeSource provides the luxury of clean and delicious water from every tap and faucet in your home. LifeSource addresses hard water problems like old-fashioned water softeners, but does even more, eliminating 99% 0% of chlorine and other contaminants too. And unlike a water softener, a LifeSource system requires no filter changes, no salt, and no monthly servicing. That's right, zero maintenance. They install it, you forget it. Transform your home into a clean water oasis with LifeSource. For a limited time, purchase a LifeSource system without paying a penny for 6 months. No interest and no payments for 6 months, subject to credit approval. Call 888-712-4279 for a free consultation with a factory representative, or visit LifeSourceWater.com. That's 888-712-4279. LifeSource. Taste and feel the difference.
What do you have for us today, Charlotte?
Charlotte is the little sister of the tooth fairy. Charlotte is the junk fairy.
If you have stuff in your shed that you haven't used in the past 12 months,
Yes.
you're not storing stuff, you got junk.
Turn your storage shed into a shed that you can use again.
Give yourself some space in the maneuver.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
We make junk disappear.
All you have to do is point.
Call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
ERC, Employee Retention Credit. This is where the federal government will give employers up to $26,000 per qualified employee. So if you had 10, that would be up to over $250,000.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Just over $500,000, so on. And there's two different ways to qualify. And what is a crying shame, a lot of people think you have to have both. And a lot of people were told, even by their CPAs, that if your gross revenue wasn't down by a certain amount, you didn't qualify. Not true. There's a different independent way to qualify. It's either or. Bottom line is, you can just contact us. We'll tell you if you qualify. And if you do, let's get your free money from the federal government. It's a grant. That means you don't pay it back. It's not a loan. It's yours to do it as you please. 888 Tax Deal. That's 888-TAXDEAL. 888 Tax Deal. Or MoskowitzLLP.com. MOSKOWITZLLP.com.
Find what you love at the Mila Innovation
Approaching
Center
a railroad crossing.
in Pleasant Hill. Out of your dreams and into your kitchen. Select the qualifying built-in kitchen appliance package that is right for you, with unrivaled technology and luxury-grade quality. When you bring home a Mila, you're bringing home true innovation. Now, for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with the purchase of a qualifying Mila appliance package. Visit the Mila Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at friedmansappliance.com.
7:38. Let's see what's happening on the roads. It's been pretty quiet so far, Ted.
It has been. In fact, the two slowdowns we are looking at are, well, one was planned. It's 280 in Hillsborough. Both directions are stopped momentarily due to some road work. They'll be holding you for about 5 to 10 minutes, then letting you go. I just checked the Caltrans log, and that'll be going until 9 o'clock this morning. The other one is in San Ramon. It's 680 north of Crow Canyon. We are still seeing a little bit of slowing there, but it's almost entirely opened up after they had an earlier closure of all lanes. The two right lanes have since been opened. Things have been doing much better for the last little bit now, so barely any slowing there. I think people are just taking a look at the activity off to the side of the roadway. The rest of the Bay Area, though, looks absolutely fantastic. Not much out there to slow you down, though. Remember, if you see anything, let us know on Twitter at KCBS AM/FM Traffic. Your next update, 7:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thanks, Dad. In the KCBS Bay Area weather forecast, it's going to be a nice day. Somewhat breezy conditions throughout the Bay Area today, but we do have sunny skies, actually waking up to sunny skies. High temperatures today in the mid to upper 60s at the beaches, and then upper 60s to low 70s around the Bay. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News, 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
Hi, this is Brad Garrett. In the new documentary, Beyond Homeless, Finding Hope, you'll learn about an approach that is transforming people's lives. Please see the film and join our movement at beyondhomeless.org.
San Francisco Opera is celebrating 100 years of producing thrilling opera in the Bay Area. Violetta Valerie, infamous Parisian courtesan and one of the greatest characters in opera, invites you to experience the world of La Traviata like never before. Part opera, part party. Join in on November 19th for a one-night-only immersive event, The Traviata Encounter. To learn more, just go to sfopera.com.
Yosemite National Park's advanced vehicle reservations ended October 1st, so the park is yours again, California. This autumn, get away to Yosemite Mariposa County's warm, sunny days and crisp, clear, star-filled Sierra nights. The beauty of fall awaits with colorful changing leaves, creating picture-perfect views for you, your family, and friends to enjoy. You can find trip planning tips and excellent lodging values and special offers by visiting Yosemite.com.
Are you seeing the telomeres here?